My dissertation is about integrating sustainability into new industrial construction projects. So for me it's special. I was working many years in the development aid section and later on working in industrial construction projects worldwide. And we always had the topic, how can we make something sustainable and long-lasting and efficient in that specific area. So I started looking into the certification systems that are existing and realized that there's no system which is flexible enough to really consider all the inputs that is needed to have a good sustainable project. My main focus was actually that I wanted to create a method that you can use worldwide, that is flexible enough and so that you can adapt to the changing conditions. The most important thing I learned was no matter what happened, I was always able to call one of you guys. So, either Mr. Bosch in the beginning or Lisa or also in the end my PhD doctor father, Mr. Sertorelli. So it was like the trust you gave, you had in me, made me trust you to openly discuss. And even when I had a down phase, that there's somebody who is pulling me up again. For myself, I have to say, when I started my journey, I had the great pleasure to work with Mr. Bosch. So he always like, okay, hey, in 2 weeks, can you make it in 2 weeks that I can read this and this section? And that is something that helped me getting into the whole structure. So my first advice is really, until you have the grounds of dissertation, really structure yourself in a shorter time, yeah? So that you really get used to the flow. And yeah, I'm a big fan of time schedules. So the first thing I did was really making a very detailed time schedule, where I said, hey, until this time I want to hand in one of the exams, and this time I want to hand in a publication, and that really helped me staying on board. Yeah? I also had times where I didn't do anything for 2 weeks, but then I know, hey, there's another deadline coming, so now I need to speed up again. So overall, that helped me a lot, not to get lost on my journey. And also not to get stressed at the end. So I was quite relaxed in the end.